Unto you, O Elohiym, do we give thanks. Unto you do we give thanks. For that your name is near, your wondrous works declare. When I shall receive the assembly, I will judge uprightly. The earth and all the inhabitants thereof are dissolved. I bear up the pillars of it, Selah. I said unto the fools, deal not foolishly, and to the wicked, lift not up the horn. Lift not up your horn on high, speak not with a stiff neck. For promotion comes neither from the east, nor from the west, nor from the south. But Elohiym is the judge, he puts down one and sets up another. For in the hand of Yahuah there is a cup, and the wine is red. It is full of mixture, and he pours out of the same. But the dregs thereof, all the wicked of the earth shall wring them out and drink them. But I will declare forever, I will sing praises to the Elohiym of Yahuah. All the horns of the wicked also will I cut off, but the horns of the righteous shall be exalted. Unto you, O Elohiym, do we give thanks. Unto you do we give thanks. For that your name is near, your wondrous works declare. Unto you, O Elohiym, do we give thanks. Unto you do we give thanks. For that your name